Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Fujitsu air conditioner when the operation and the timer lights are flashing 10 times. And I'm also going to explain what this flashing pattern actually means. So on most of the Fujitsu general systems, the 10 flashes of the operation and the timer lights usually indicate a problem with the communication between the indoor and the outdoor units, or an issue with the outdoor inverter or the control system. So now that you have basically understanding of why this problem actually occurred, it will be very easy for you to fix it. So you just have to first of all use the remote and press the start and the stop button, and you need to turn off your AC. After doing so, you need to also switch off the power at the circuit breaker and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after this time duration, restore the power and restart the unit. The temporary communication faults often clear with the help of this particular method alone, and you don't need to do anything else. But if the issue persists, you just have to simply go outside and make sure that the outdoor unit has power. You need to also listen to the fans or the compressor after starting the AC. If the outdoor unit never starts, it means the fault is likely outdoor or outside rather than in the indoor unit. So that's how you can basically fix this error. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.